So here's how it is to take a simple bucket and make your very own bucket of biodiversity. So a great little tip when you are putting your drainage holes into your bucket. Don't do it underneath because it will just flood out all over your patio or space. Instead, come up about 2 or 3 fingers deep, which means when you put your crocks into the base, you still have a reservoir that will gather some water. It saves on the watering. So once your bucket is filled 2/3 up, you're now ready to plant. So here what we're going to do is we're going to put a grass in, because the grass is great to give backbone to the planter. This is such a healthy plant, you don't even need to tease out the roots. You can just position it into place. But I'm putting it in slightly to the back so that it's flush with the top. So next up we have something that's going to attract in the pollinators. Most of your daisy-shaped flowers will attract all of your different bees because the nectar is easily accessible. Next up we have some sorrel. And the great thing about sorrel is butterflies will lay their eggs on sorrel. So you'll get a brood of caterpillars in your garden, which extends the season of interest of butterflies having several different generations. So again, very often your colours can either complement each other or be a contrast, but this is already shaping up now into being a quite attractive planter. It just so happens that it's going to attract all different varieties of biodiversity. And of course, don't forget to water.